Hello friends, welcome to my pharmacy channel. Today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions. Let's get started. But before start the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notification of more upcoming videos. Let's begin. Question number 1. The word cell is first time introduced by A. Robert Hooke, B. Robert Brown, C. Fleming, D. Robert Koch. Answer is A. Robert Hooke. Question number 2. The nucleus was first recognized by A. Robert Brown, B. Robert Koch, C. Alexander Fleming, D. Robert Hooke. Answer is A. Robert Brown. Explanation. Nucleus was discovered and named by Robert Brown in 1838. Question number 3. The plasma membrane is mainly composed of A. Protein, B. Phospholipids, C. Lipid, D. Cellulose. Answer is B. Phospholipids. Explanation. Phospholipids are class of lipid and major component of cell membrane, as they confirm lipid bilayer. Question number 4. The ribosome are present on their A. Cell membrane, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Golgi apparatus, D. None of above. Answer is B. Endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 5. Smooth surface endoplasmic reticulum is associated with A. Protein synthesis, B. Amino acid synthesis, C. Steroidal hormone synthesis, D. None of above. Answer is C. Steroidal hormone synthesis. Explanation. It is smooth because it is not studded with ribosomes and hence, it is associated with smooth slippery fats and steroids. Question number 6. Golgi apparatus concerned with A. Detoxification mechanism, B. Secretion, C. Synthesis of hormone, D. None of above. Answer is B. Secretion. Explanation. Golgi apparatus is a cellular organelle which consists of folded and flattened membranes within the cytoplasm, that is involved in secretion and helps in intracellular transport. Question number 7. Glycoprotein is synthesized in A. Ribosome, B. Golgi apparatus, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysosome. Answer is B. Golgi apparatus. Explanation. Glycoproteins are simply proteins with a sugar attached to them. The sugars can be attached to a protein in two locations in the cell, the endoplasmic reticulum, which produces N-linked sugars, and the Golgi apparatus, which produces O-linked sugars. Question number 8. DNA is present in A. Ribosome, B. Nucleus, C. Plasma membrane, D. None of above. Answer is B. Nucleus. Explanation. Most DNA is located in nucleus. But small amount of DNA is present in mitochondria. Question number 9. The kidneys are located A. Within the coelom, B. Near the buccal cavity, C. Near the heart, D. Outside the coelom. Answer is D. Outside the coelom. Explanation. They are located behind the smooth peritoneal lining of the upper part of the abdominal cavity, between it and the posterior body wall. Therefore, they are actually outside the peritoneal cavity that is outside the coelom. Question number 10. Tachycardia is A. Fast heart rate, B. Slow heart rate, C. Stoppage of heart, D. Normal heart rate. Answer is A. Fast heart rate. Explanation. Tachycardia is abnormally rapid heart rate, 100 beats per minute. So much for today, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.